Mascaras, eyeliners, glittery eyeshadow, face paint or long eyelashes might look amazing, especially for parties or Halloween. But if you are not careful, they can actually harm your eyes. Today we are talking about something fun but also important: how to use cosmetics safely around your eyes. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Kalpana Suresh, Medical Director and Chief Ophthalmic Surgeon from Kalpana Eye Care Hospital, Chennai. Let's go through some simple tips to keep your eyes safe while still looking fabulous. Number 1. Be careful with glitter and face paint. Glitter, sparkle powders and metallic makeup can fall into your eyes and can cause irritation or even scratches. If you wear contact lenses, the glitter is extra risky. When using a face paint, avoid putting it too close to your lash line. Number 2. False eyelashes. Most eyelash extensions are placed using tweezers and a specially formulated semi-permanent glue. It can be done safely if applied by a professional. There are also magnetic eyelashes which are applied with an eyeliner with tiny magnetic particles in it. Both glued and magnetic lashes can irritate the sensitive skin around the eyes or dip into the eye and scratch the cornea if not applied well. Best advice: save them for special occasions, and if you feel any discomfort, see an eye doctor right away. Number 3. Preventing eye infections. Use only products that are designed for use around the eyes. Replace the eye makeup every 3 months. Infection causing bacteria grows easily in creamy or liquid eye makeup. Before applying makeup, be sure your face and lids are very clean. Apply makeup outside the lash line to avoid blocking the oil glands of the upper and lower eyelid. These glands secrete oil that protects the eye surface. Never share eye makeup even with close friends. Skip stored samples. They are often contaminated. If you get an infection like pink eye, don't use until the infection is gone. Number 4. Avoiding allergic reactions. Try one new product at a time. If you react, check the ingredients so that you can avoid them in future. Talk to your doctor about gentler alternatives. Number 5. Preventing eye injuries. Don't apply makeup in a moving car or any vehicle. Never use sharp objects to separate clumped lashes. You can easily poke or scratch your eyes this way. If you had eye surgery, wait until your doctor says it's safe to wear eye makeup again. Number 6. Removing makeup safely. Always remove eye makeup before bed. Sleeping with a mascara can cause serious problems over time. Vaseline works well as a gentle remover. Baby shampoo is another safe option for cleaning the eyelids. Whatever remover you use, don't let it get inside your eyes. Use a clean cotton swab along the lash line to remove leftover makeup. Be especially careful with exfoliating scrubs or cleansers with beads near your eyes. They can scratch and irritate your eyes. Be gentle with your lashes. They protect your eyes from dust and dryness. So remember, makeup is fun, but your eyes are more precious. A few simple habits can keep them healthy while you enjoy your favorite looks. Stay safe, stay stylish, and take care of those beautiful eyes. Thank you.